How does project-based learning work in academic camps? Imagine spending your summer not just having fun but also solving real problems and creating cool projects. That's what project-based learning in academic camps is all about. Instead of just listening to lectures, campers get hands-on experience working on projects that matter. They start with a big question or challenge related to science, technology, engineering, arts, or life skills. For example, they might design a robot, create a community garden plan, or develop a simple app. Campers work either alone or in teams to explore their topic, gather information, and come up with solutions. They do research, build models, or write reports, depending on the project. Throughout the process, instructors guide them but let them take charge of their learning. The goal is for campers to develop skills like critical thinking, teamwork, and creativity. Most projects end with a presentation, a demonstration, or an exhibition. This is their chance to show what they have learned and created. For instance, a group might present a science experiment or perform a short play they wrote and directed. These projects often connect to real-world issues, making learning more meaningful and exciting. In academic camps, projects usually combine different subjects. For example, a project on environmental science might include biology, geography, math, and technology. This helps campers see how different subjects work together in real life. Working in teams also builds social skills like sharing ideas, listening, and negotiating roles. Campers also develop skills for the future, such as problem solving, organization, and responsible decision-making. They get to express themselves creatively through art, coding, writing, or designing. In America, summer camps like day camps, sports camps, recreational camps, and theater camps can adapt project-based learning to fit their themes. For example, a day camp might have kids design a camp logo or write a song. A sports camp could analyze game strategies or plan training routines. Recreational camps might develop outdoor activity plans or environmental projects. Theater camps could involve writing, directing, and producing a play, combining literature, performance, and teamwork. Overall, project-based learning in academic camps makes summer both fun and educational. Kids learn by doing, connecting lessons to their interests and real life. It encourages creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving, making every camper's summer memorable and full of growth.